In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple Todoist setup in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned planner or a newcomer looking to get organized, this setup will help streamline your tasks and projects quickly and efficiently. First, let's start by accessing Todoist. Open your web browser and in the address bar type in app.todoist.com/login. This will take you to the Todoist login page. Here you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you may want to sign up before proceeding. Once you've reached the login page, type in your email address. Make sure this is the same email you used when creating your Todoist account. After entering your email, you'll be prompted to type your password. Remember to keep your password secure and avoid sharing it with others. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker login process, you can use the options to continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple. Simply click on the corresponding button and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the login process. With the login completed, let's move on to setting up your core projects. In Todoist, projects act like containers for your tasks, helping you organize different areas of your life. Click on the Add Project button. You might find it helpful to create projects such as work, personal, errands, and health. This will give you a clear overview of all your activities. To make each project visually distinct, consider assigning colors to them. This not only enhances organization, but also adds a splash of color to your task manager, making it easier to navigate. Once your projects are set up, navigate to one of them to start adding tasks. Click the Add Task button. This is where you'll be entering your tasks. Aim for clear and concise descriptions like write report or buy groceries to quickly understand what needs to be done. To keep your tasks organized, use due dates and labels. Set due dates for any time-sensitive tasks to help you manage deadlines and maintain productivity. Labels are another great way to categorize your tasks. You can use tags like important, client A, or urgent to highlight the context or priority of each task. Think about setting up recurring tasks for activities that happen regularly, like exercise or water plants. This feature automates reminders for tasks that repeat daily, weekly, or monthly. For larger tasks, breaking them into smaller, manageable subtasks can make them feel more achievable. Depending on how you like to view your tasks, explore the different project views Todoist offers. You can switch between list, board, or calendar views. Finally, to supercharge your productivity, consider integrating Todoist with other tools you use, like your email, calendar, or even other project management software. There you have it, a simple yet effective Todoist setup to enhance your productivity. Dive in and experiment with different features to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.